$99 Chevy Silverado 1500 5.3 liter V8. What we got done on it for you guys, it's got factory converters there. Then we put an X pipe on it there and true dualed it all the way back, as you guys can see. And that's how you want them done when there's a cross brace in there. All the way back 2 1/4, and it keeps going and going. Mandrel pin tailpipes there and there into 4-inch angle cut tips, as you guys can see there and there. That's how you true dual these guys. There you go. If you like it, subscribe. If you don't like it, subscribe. And you know, like always, sharing is caring, so make sure you guys share. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Woo! Much better. That's what it was on it before, one piece of pie. That sounds so good. I like it. Your sound decibels? 107. What do you guys think? Let us know. We'll let you hear it in the mail. Chevy Silverado 1500. Another happy customer that went by. True dual Chevy Silverado. Straight pipe with an X.